Are you paying a monthly fee for your website and wondering what you're actually getting?
You get that monthly invoice from your web agency for maintenance or a retainer. But when you look at your website, it feels like nothing has really changed. What exactly are you paying for? The old agency model was built on gatekeeping. You paid a monthly fee for them to make slow, minor updates, like changing a staff photo or adding a blog post, tasks that might take them weeks to complete. Often, these retainers are padded with fluff. Things like plugin updates and backups are presented as manual labor. But in modern systems, these are largely automated, one-click processes. This model creates dependency. It makes you feel like you can't touch your own website, forcing you to pay an expert for even the smallest change. It keeps you tethered to them, not empowered by your own digital presence. But today, a modern web partner works differently. The goal isn't to create dependency, it's to deliver quality and efficiency so you can focus on your business. So, what should a modern retainer actually include? First, a foundation of total ownership. You should have full control and ownership of your hosting, your domain, and every single line of code. Second, it should be built for your independence. Your website, whether it's on WordPress or a modern framework like Next.js, should be so easy to edit that you or your staff can make common content changes instantly without ever needing to send an email. And third, your monthly fee should be for proactive growth, not passive maintenance. This means strategic consulting, performance monitoring, SEO improvements, and building new features that actually help you serve your clients or community. This efficiency is possible because modern development pairs senior-level expertise with AI-powered tools. This allows a small, dedicated team to deliver high-quality custom work at a speed that old-school agencies just can't match. At Webmaster and more, we build websites for Los Angeles professionals, clinics, and nonprofits on this exact principle. We deliver a custom-coded asset that you own completely, built for speed and effortless updates. Our retainers are for partnership, not gatekeeping, focused on performance, security, and strategic growth. Stop paying for dependency and start investing in an asset that works for you. Book a free website teardown today.